Hello everyone! Today I'll show you how to change the show controls setting in Nioh 3. Let's begin by navigating to the system menu and from there open basic game settings. Here use the arrows or the keys displayed next to arrows to navigate to the second to last page, as you can see at the bottom. Here you can change the show control setting. This setting changes the settings for each type of control guide that can be displayed. You can select yes, low frequency or no. Choose whatever option you prefer. I will stick with yes and press the back button to confirm. Press the back button once again to back out of this menu. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.